Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Thursday, and the date is the 18th of February 2021. And it's the weekend, guys. Yay! We are learning about... Okay, Khalid, since you are happy with me, what did we study about? Can you tell me?
Magnet.
Khalid. Thank you. Thank you, Ahmed and Khalid. But please answer only when I ask your name. Thank you, Khalid. We are talking about magnet. What do you know about magnet, ya Ismail? What did you learn about magnet, ya Ismail?
Magnet.
Excellent, Abdelilah. Do you have a different shape?
I have.
Nice. So you have different shapes of magnet. Okay, very nice. Different colors. Nice, very nice, very nice. What are the powers that magnet have? Who can tell me? Ismail, are you ready to answer now? Yes. What is the power of magnet?
Push and pull. Powerful.
It is powerful. Excellent, ya Ahmed. It can push and it can pull. It can push away something and pull away something. It can push away what? Hi, Khalid, do you know? Magnet will push away what?
If S and S is will push.
Bravo.
S and N is not will push.
It will attract. Okay, we use the word repel and attract. Can you use the word repel and attract? Which side will repel, ya Abdelilah, since you are trying?
Repel red and red.
Excellent. S with S will repel and S and N will push. Very good, very good. Okay, what do you call S and S? S and what do you call them? Side?
N and N.
South side? No.
Pole.
Excellent. We call them pole. Very good. Very good. Excellent, boys. Now let's take a look at our slides, please. And I want you to mute your mics. Everyone, please mute your microphones. Respect the class, respect the teacher, and respect your friends, please. You are men. Ahmed, this is not sleeping time. Sit down properly and listen to the class. Thank you very much. And let's begin.
Welcome to the lesson, What are magnets?
But we don't see it.
In this lesson, you will learn about what magnets are and how they work. The vocabulary words for this lesson.
You cannot see?
Yes.
Okay. All right, boys. I'm going to share it again. Can you hear the voice?
Yes, we can.
Okay, very good.
And see, we can see.
What about now?
Now we can see.
Very nice.
Welcome to the lesson, What are magnets? In this lesson, you will learn about what magnets are and how they work. The vocabulary words for this lesson are magnet, attract, pull, and repel. You can click each word to find out more about it. Why are all these steel nails stuck to this rock? Because this rock is a lodestone. A lodestone is a natural magnet found in the ground.
Ahmed, sit down properly. Remove the blanket and sit down properly.
Yeah. Why are all these steel nails stuck to this rock? Because this rock is a lodestone. A lodestone is a natural magnet found in the ground. Yes, Earth makes its own magnets. Lodestones were discovered more than 2,000 years ago.
So, a lode magnet or a lode rock is full of magnet naturally. It's a natural magnet comes from nature. That's why it attracts anything that made from iron or steel, like this needle or this pen. Now, lodestone, they were discovered more than 2,000 years ago. They already found them when they were mining and looking for minerals or treasures. They found... Hmm?
I have the magnet.
You have magnet, Saud. Hi. Okay, after we finish, I'm gonna let you do the experiment
I
with
have
me because
magnet.
yesterday you weren't
Magnet,
here
yes.
with us. Okay, Saud? Now take a look at this lodestone. We call it a lodestone. Why do we call it a lodestone? Because it is
Why?
made of magnet. It is made of magnet and it attracts any object that made of iron or steel. It was found before 2,000 years ago. Long time ago, they discovered about it.
Natural lodestone magnets
So when I ask you what are the natural magnets, you will tell me a lodestone is a natural magnet. Again, what is a natural magnet? What do we call the natural magnet?
No, not stored natural magnet.
Excellent. It is the lodestone. And look at Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz, he has a toy made of magnet. This toy is made of magnet. This is not natural. It did not come from, it is not made of this stone. It is, they made it in the factories. So this is the natural and this one is not the natural. Okay? Now let's take a look at the shapes and the different sizes of them.
Natural lodestone magnets look like rocks, but other magnets come in different shapes and sizes. Some shapes magnets can come in are horseshoe, bar, and ring. No matter what shape or size they are, all magnets have something in common. They all have two poles, or places where the pole is the strongest. These poles are called the north-seeking pole and the south-seeking pole. Some magnets are marked with an N on the north-seeking pole and an S on the south-seeking pole.
Now, she said that there are only some magnets are marked. What do I mean by marked? Marked mean that they wrote the N pole and the south pole. Now take a look at this horseshoe magnet. This horseshoe magnet did not show where is the south and where is the north pole. Can you make an experiment to learn which one is the north pole and which one is the south pole?
Miss, I can't go to the bathroom.
Yes, Ismail, of course you can go. How can I know that this is the north pole and this is the south pole? Or if it's the opposite. Hi, Khalid, think with me. You are a scientist. You look like a scientist. So tell me, what do you think?
What?
They did not write the poles over here, okay? And
Okay.
I want to know if this one is north or south. Which one is N and which one is S? What can I do to know about it? What do you suggest?
Give me the pencil.
You want to use the pencil?
Yeah.
First explain. Okay, I want you to explain first.
Maybe right, left.
You right? Okay, right and left.
Left it. We left it and right N and S. Or
I want you to make experiment. I'm gonna give you this bar, okay, to use. Use this bar to discover which side is N and which side is S. What are you going to do? If you know, boys, you can raise your hand. If you know what experiment you can do, raise your hand. Think a little bit, ya Khalid. I will give you the bar to discover which pole is N and which pole it is S. Over here, the bar is already known. You know that this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. How will I know which one?
Here is N and here is S.
Okay, according to what? Did you make experiment? Now,
Yeah.
who have, if you have your magnet, show it to me. You said something in the beginning of the class, ya Khalid. You said something. Nice, Talal. Very nice. You have your magnet. Very good. Very good, Talal. Now, if you put them near each other, which sides will pull or attract one another? Which sides? They have to be the same or different side?
Different.
Different poles. Very good. So different poles will attract one another. Now imagine I took this bar, okay, and I put the N pole over here and the South Pole over here. If it attracts with this side, so this side must be what? North or south? If they are attracting one another. If they stick together, come on, ya Abdulillah, where are you? If N poles stick with this side.
Can we go to the toilet?
Of course you can go to the toilet. Hi, Khalid, tell me now. If the North Pole stick to this side must be what? South or north?
South.
Excellent. Why?
Because if the N close the S, it will match.
Excellent.
If the N, if the S and the S is not match.
They will repel. Please use the word attract and repel. Use the words attract and repel, okay? All right, boys? So, can you use the word attract and repel, ya Khalid, again?
If the
Different
N
poles will what? Attract or repel?
repel.
Different poles.
Attract.
Excellent. And same poles. Attract or repel?
Repel.
Excellent, everyone. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Thank you.
Welcome.
Click the magnets to find out what happens when they are placed near each other.
Now see, over here you have different poles facing one another. Hi, Abdulillah Al-Badi. Are they different poles or same poles?
Different.
Different. What will happen? Show me with your magnet. Make your magnet close to the camera and show me. What will happen with different poles? Are they going to attract or repel?
Attract.
Excellent, ya Abdul-Ilah.
When opposite poles of magnets are near each other, they attract or pull toward each other.
Take a look again. Take a look again.
Click the magnets to find out when opposite poles of magnets are near each other, they attract or pull toward each other.
See? They will attract one another. Excellent. Very good. Now, what about different or like poles? If they are alike, ya Abdul Aziz. Hi, Abdul Aziz. Look at Abdul Ilahi, Abdul Aziz, and see what is going to happen if like poles, they are near one another. What is going to happen?
We not can put it.
Okay, are they gonna repel or attract?
Attract.
The same pole.
Red with red, it does not get. Is red with red does not get stuck. If
Excellent.
it's blue with not blue, it will not get stuck together.
Excellent, excellent, ya Saud. We call it like poles. Blue with blue is like poles. Show me. And when like poles come together, they repel. We use the
Red
word
with blue
repel.
does not
No, this.
do. But red with red does not do. Only blue with red.
Only different poles, the opposite poles. Okay, Saud, I need you to use the word attract and repel. If they are opposite poles, blue and red.
Stuck with the same color. You need to blue with red.
Okay, you mean different poles, opposite poles. They will attract or repel. Blue with red will attract, or repel.
Attract.
Attract, excellent. Okay, what about blue with blue?
Blue or red with red does not work. It needs the same, not the same color.
Excellent, very good, ya Saud, very good. Okay, is it attract or repel? Blue with blue.
Like balls.
Attract or repel? I want you only to choose the word.
Repel.
Excellent, ya Saud, very good. When you are talking about magnets, my boys, you need to use the words attract and repel, okay? Whenever you are using magnets or talking about magnets, you have to use 3 magic words. The 3 magic words are, we're gonna write them. Whenever you are talking about magnet, anytime you are talking about magnet, you need to use the word pull, attract, and repel. Okay? You have 3 main words that related to magnet. Whenever you are talking about magnet, you need to use the word pull, attract, and repel. Okay? All right, boys, let's see the like poles over here.
When like poles of magnets are near each other, they repel or push away from each other.
So, repel mean they push away from one another. Just like Saud showed us with his magnet and Abdul Ilah and Abdul Aziz and everyone yesterday. Thank you very much, my boys. Now, we finished from our part of this day. I would like to take your questions. I'm going to stop sharing the slides now. I would like to take your questions, please. If you have any question, please ask me. Or if you have any idea about magnet, you can tell me.
Miss?
Yes?
When
First of all, is it a question?
No.
All right. If you don't have a question, let me tell you. Can you think about different kinds or shapes of magnet? Only the magnet you brought? What other shapes of magnet? Do you have letters that comes with magnet? What else? What do you put on the fridge? What do you put on the fridge? Have you ever seen the small magnet when you travel? You bring some magnet that shows, yes, this one is, you can put it on the fridge. Not only the letters, not only the usual look of the magnet. Very nice. Abdulillah has a triangle shape. Excellent. And I saw a heart shape. Wow. All these are from the fridge. Excellent. Why magnets stick to the fridge? Hi, Ismail. Tell me why. Why magnets stick to the fridge, ya Ismail?
Because the fridge,
It has something. What does it have? Magnets stick to what? Or attract what?
iron.
Excellent. Iron or steel. And the fridge is made of what?
What?
And the fridge is made of what? Iron. See? That's why your magnet can stick to the fridge. If it's made of iron or steel, it definitely will stick. Now, what I want you to do today, take your magnet, one piece of magnet, try to attract things around your home or inside your house. Discover what is made of iron and what is made of steel and what is made of wood. What does magnet attract? If it attracts the table, definitely it is made of iron or steel. If it attracts the window, maybe it is made of iron or steel. What about the curtain behind you, Ismail? Would it attract the curtain behind you?
No, this
On
one.
the curtain, can you put
Yes,
it on?
Amir is joined.
This one.
Yes?
Amir is joined.
Miss, I bought it. Miss, I bought it in the laptop.
Nice. So your laptop is made of iron or steel, but the piece of cloth, look at Ismail, it will not attract. Why? Because it doesn't have, it doesn't attract cloth. It only attracts iron or steel. Okay, my lovely boys, you can have a nice weekend and discover how magnet works. We finished for today and our time is up. We'll see you inshallah next week. Bye-bye. Bye, boys.
Bye.